Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to sign in AliExpress account. So it is a very simple process. Let's get right into it. First thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, now what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing aliexpress.com. After you've typed that, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard, just like this. And now this will take you to the official website of AliExpress. In order to sign in, what you're going to do is go to the profile icon that you can see right here. Just by hovering around the profile icon here, you can see the option of sign in right here. Click on it. And now here you can see there is the option of adding your email or phone number. If you have registered yourself AliExpress account from email, you can type down your email. Or if you have registered AliExpress account with your phone number, type down your phone number. Here, I will type down my email address since I have registered it from my email address. Now, after typing down your email address or phone number, click on continue. After doing so, here you can see there is the option of adding down your password. Simply just type down your password. And after you have typed down your password, click on a sign in button. And just like this, you have now successfully signed into your AliExpress account. Here you can go to the profile icon right here again, and you can see this is your account and you are now signed in. And that is it. That is how you can sign into AliExpress account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.